All right, y'all, we're doing the leaf cleanup estimate. What's gonna happen is tomorrow, come out here, we're gonna clean up all the leaves right here. That's on the curve, all the way up to a stop up here. We're gonna blow all the leaves to the center, start bagging them, probably tarp them, but we got two options, and we can mulch them if we got to. Get up all the sticks. You know, normally we'll trim all the hedges and all that good stuff, but the client, they don't want that. They just want the leaves removed. So what we're gonna do, remove all the leaves out of the garden beds. Come around to the back. Go to the gate. The leaves in the back. Like I said, looking at the time frame, maybe about 1 to 2.5 hours. Go to the gate, leaves right here. They still haven't fallen completely. Clean this all up right here. Clean all this up. It should be good to go. Just wrap it up right there. location, wrapping everything up. All you need, a rake, tarp, and some contractor bags. Hey, you'll be done. How you doing? I get it. All right, everyone. Right now, we just raked up all the leaves. We're finna get ready to start doing the bagging process of them, and then from there, we'll load them up and get ready to head out.